Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to archive chats in Teams. Microsoft Teams does not currently have a built-in feature to archive one-on-one or group chats like messaging apps such as WhatsApp or Messenger. If you want to keep your chat list organized, here are your options. So to start, open Microsoft Teams. Then on the left side, click Chat. So once you're here, hover over to the chat that you want to archive or to hide. So for example, this one right here. Now you'll see the three dots beside that person. So click the three dots, then right here, look for the option to hide the chat. So click hide. So once you click that, the chat disappears from your list, but will reappear if someone sends a new message. Next is to mute a chat. So right click or tap and hold the chat. Or you can also click this three dots right here. Then look for the options to mute. Then click that. So select mute to stop notifications while keeping the conversation accessible. Now, next option is to delete a chat if it's available. So some personal Microsoft accounts allow deleting chats. In many work or school organizations, this option is disabled by your IT administrator due to retention policies. So to check if you can delete the conversation, just right click on it, or you can click the three dots right here, then select delete, and click delete to confirm the action, and that chat will be deleted. Now, if you want to archive Teams channels rather than chats, administrators and team owners can archive an entire team to make it read only while preserving its content. So this is different from archiving personal chats. And that's basically it. So that's how you can archive chats in Teams. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.